Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on OKX Wallet application. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Start off by launching open your OKX application from your app drawer and also make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're signed into the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the waffle button at the top left-hand corner. Now tap on your email address displayed at the very top on the next page and then tap on the pencil and paper icon right under your profile. Soon after you do that, tap on OK in order to change your profile picture. You can then select a photo from your photos library or simply tap on take photo in order to take a picture right away from your camera. You can also tap on the avatar button and select one of the avatars from the display. If you want to choose your own photo, tap on photo and either take a photo from your camera or choose from your library. To choose from an existing picture, tap on choose from photo and allow access to all the photos from your device. Now go through the library and select a picture you would like to set as a profile picture on OKX Wallet. Soon after you select a picture, adjust the picture like how you'd want it to appear on your profile and tap on confirm. Wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to upload a profile picture for yourself after going through a quick review. So that's how it can be easily done. You can easily change your profile picture on OKX Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Goodbye till then.